Hey guys, my name is Carmen Mohan and I am the CEO and founder of Straight.tax, and I have been in the tax preparation business for almost 7 years. Really long time. I know I look really young, but thankfully I started really young. So here today, what I'm here to tell you guys and talk about today is why becoming a tax preparer benefits everyone. Literally can benefit everyone. Why? Because as Americans, everyone works, everyone generates income, and everyone has to pay taxes. Two things for certain: death and taxes. We already know that saying. So if everyone has to pay taxes, then understanding the tax law is going to benefit everyone. So let's get right into it. Why becoming a tax preparer benefits everyone, and if you're going to write notes, you can. The first thing I would say is because you do not need to be a CPA. You do not need to become a certified public accountant to be able to offer tax professional services. The IRS wants you to take 60 hours of training annual or biannually, yes. So you do have to constantly be working on your craft. However, you do not need to have a CPA or accounting background to learn how to become a tax professional. So you don't need a CPA, so almost everyone can become a tax professional. And it's going to be very important to become a tax professional. Why? Why is it going to do that? For your own tax situation, right? If you understand the tax law, becoming a tax professional is going to help your own tax situation. Once you become a tax professional and you understand the tax law, there's a couple things that happen. Number one, you understand what taxable income means. What your total income throughout the year that you make is not the amount of income that you're taxed on. Your total amount of income that you make throughout the year minus your standard or itemized deductions is going to equal what that taxable amount of income is and where your tax rate lies. To not get you guys all confused, anyone that's creating income is going to have to pay taxes. So now if you become a tax professional and you learn the tax law, what's going to happen now? You're going to understand on a higher level of how to lower your taxable income. You're going to understand what deductions will be available to you to a clearer sense. You're going to understand what tax credits will be available to you to a clearer sense, and what the law will legally allow you to pay the least in taxes. So you're going to be able to help your own tax situation. And that's going to move into, right, number 3, helping you and your family's tax situation, right? If you now understand the tax law, you now understand what taxable income is, you now understand where your own personal tax rate goes, and now you can understand that fully. Once you understand something fully, you can now help someone else. So let's say you and your family wants to start purchasing property, but now you don't understand now you'll have a higher level understanding your own tax situation as well as your family's tax situation, which will help set you up together in the long run. When you can help your family member also minimize their taxable income, right? Now you can kind of start to plan out some different forms of group economics together, whether that's going to be purchasing property together, whether that's going to be you guys opening a business together, right? Because if you're lowering your taxable amount of income throughout the year, that means you're going to be saving some money also throughout the year. Let's say your family member, father, paid $10,000 last year in taxes, but now you were able to lower that total amount of taxes he paid from $10,000 to $7,000. Now that gives him the ability to save $3,000 annually if his tax situation stayed the same. So the reason why becoming a tax preparer kind of benefits everyone is because we're all paying taxes again. But now when you understand the tax law, you can kind of understand how to start generating a lower taxable income, right? And paying less taxes. Let's move on into the next point. Why becoming a tax preparer benefits everyone? For 4, it's very easy to generate 100 clients. What do I mean by that? If you're selling accessories, or you're selling t-shirts, or you're selling any other type of a commodity that's maybe a product, now you're going to sell a service. But you're not only just selling a service, you're selling a service that, again, everybody needs. So to be able to get to 100 clients doing their taxes is going to be a lot faster than you be able to now sell 100 pieces of jewelry or 100 t-shirts, right? So you're going to be able to grow a lot faster in a lot of a shorter period of time. Another reason why becoming a tax preparer is going to benefit everyone, because a majority of our income is created through that first quarter of the year. From January 1st to April 30th is where a majority of our income is created. So the fifth reason, of why becoming a tax preparer benefits everyone is going to be because you're going to generate most of your income in the first quarter of the year. So that means whether you're a real estate agent, real estate broker, you have your own other entrepreneurship dreams. If you are now a tax preparer and learn and come into this need-based business industry, that's going to allow you to generate a majority of your income in that first quarter of the year and give you that other 3 quarters of the year time to build on everything else that you are looking to build, right? Like your real estate sales. If you're an insurance agent, like selling insurance. And a lot of the times, taxes was my entryway and a lot of others' entryway into the financial industry. So that means it was how we started. It was where we started to learn what money looks like, how money works, and so on and so forth. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is just a quick 5 ways why becoming a tax professional or a tax preparer is going to benefit everyone. If you want to know more information about becoming a tax professional, or join us here at Straight Tax, or even build your own tax business and join us over at Tax Pro, we can definitely help you out here at Straight Tax if you're looking to become a tax professional. If you have any questions, you can definitely comment or like below, or hit me up in the DM.